Hi there, Vanda here of rawandwell, answering a quick question. And that question today is, how much water should I drink while detoxing? Okay, so again, we could go into a really deep dive, but these are really short question and answers that I'm doing here. So I'm gonna be like super basic, right? And water is a solvent, plain water, right? Filtered water, water that comes from a stream, distilled water, RO water, whatever water you want to choose, right, is a solvent. Therefore, when you're detoxing, that's definitely needed because water waters down, it dissolves, it kind of, makes them weakened, the acids that the body's trying to release, right? So drinking water is definitely going to be important, especially at the beginning, right? Because you want not only to hydrate the body, but as the body starts releasing waste and we start opening the channels of elimination and getting the lymphatic system to move and purge, right? Acids are going to be released. Therefore, we're going to need that solvent, right? But the number one thing that we want is to hydrate the body at the beginning. So you want to have as much fruit and vegetables in the raw state as possible. You could also have juices, structured water. For example, this is structured water for me. I squeezed the lemon in there, right? Not the flush that I do in the morning. This is to sip on. This is what I've been sipping on after my juice. I had a big watermelon juice. So again, a good balance, but you can structure your water. But again, it won't be a solvent anymore. It'll be hydrating you to a cellular level. Therefore, we have to distinguish between those two and understand what each one does in the body. One is hydrating the cells and the tissue, which have been very deprived because we only drink plain water, right? So all of those things, the structured water, whether it's you squeeze a lemon in there or you put some herbs in your water and keep it in the fridge overnight. You could put berries in your water and put in the fridge overnight. And that way, that water is structured and it will hydrate you. But you still need to drink that plain water to help dissolve and to help water down some of those toxins that the body's releasing. So that's the difference. We really want to have that straight. And so again, we just want to find a good balance that works for us where we are on that journey. As we go along the journey and the body becomes more and more hydrated, there will be a time where you won't require as much plain water or that solvent, right? Because things are starting to work on their own really well. And you'll find as the body gets super hydrated, you won't need to drink as much water. You'll feel it. You just won't require it. But again, during these process, the key thing is to learn to listen to our bodies and do what feels best. Take notes, right? Have that journal at all times and take notes after you have plain water, after you have fruit, and make notes of what fruit, how you structured that water, if you structured it, right? And keep going back to those notes as you start experiencing different things and start to learn how the body is communicating with you and letting you know all along. Sorry, I have a little bit of some incense burning, and if you see smoke, that's what that is. So basically, that's what you want to create. You want to start listening to your body and start to understand the signals the body is giving you and listen to those instead of overthinking things and wanting to find out exactly how much water should I be drinking. All of those things just put more pressure on us. I think just letting go and trusting the process will make things so much easier for you. So I hope that helps. Please leave me a comment and let me know if I could answer any other questions. Send me an email, however you want to get in touch with me, and I would be happy to answer your question as well. Bye for now.